What's up guys, Matt here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you this Ecarke cordless tiller. This one specifically is compatible with Makita batteries. I did receive it to do this video. We'll get it unboxed, I'll run through the specs, and then we'll go outside and actually test it out. All right, we've got the instruction manual and the tiller itself. All right, so there aren't assembly instructions actually, but it does look really straightforward to figure it out. I'll picture the user manual on screen here so you can always come and look back on it. So first, let's just straighten out the whole tool. And it looks like these can just push in and thread. So you just line up those tabs and then twist this black plastic piece on. That pulls it nice and tight. Following the picture of the user manual here, we can get the handle on now. I'm going to unscrew this piece so I can snap it on. I'm gonna stand up and just hold it and just slide it into place where it feels best, and that's right here for me. And tighten this down. Now let's get these tines installed. So you'll see there's holes for a cotter pin only on one side. You can see it's not on this. Slide these on and line up those holes so you can slide the cotter pin through. And now the other side. And now for the last thing, the guards. They have these slots here and on the side here that you'll just need to line up with the blue lip here. And it slots right in, you can feel it. And then now we just bolt in with our 4 bolts to tighten these on. And this only goes one way as well. The bolt will actually go only on one of the sides, and we can use our included screwdriver to tighten it. All right, we're all done. So once again, the battery is not included. It's got a 450 RPM brushless motor, 48 quenched steel tines, and the whole tool is 9 inches wide and 6.3 inches deep. The brand estimates that a 4 amp battery gives about 30 minutes of tilling, which is around 500 square feet, and a 6 amp battery could offer about 45 minutes, up to 750 square feet. Perfect for raised beds, flower beds, small farms, and lawn cultivation. The whole tool itself is 4.6 feet long. It's nice and easy to store because it can fold 4 ways. This is also a tool you want to be really safe with. It features a 2-step safety start, which activates only when the safety button and trigger are pressed together. And the front debris shield blocks soil, stones, and weeds, keeping you clean and your eyes protected. All right, so there are a bunch of safety features they recommend wearing. I do have some work gloves, I've got some safety glasses, and a respirator or a mask. There are not different speed adjustments on it. It's just whether on or off. You can kind of tell by the sound here. So let's give this a shot and we'll see how it does. After using it a bit, I've noticed the handle, you do need to go way tighter than you think you do, because when you're holding this and there's actual weight on it, it has been kind of sliding for me, so I just had to tighten that up, and now it's holding a little bit better. And as for cleaning this, check this out. You can pull the cotter pin up, pull the cotter pin out, and just pull the tines right out so you can get behind. All cleared out, slide it back on, cotter pin back on, good to go. It really does work though. It's loosened up this really kind of rocky, stumpy soil I have in my backyard here. And this makes it way easier to plant things if you're leveling it, if you need to dig it up and just get that soil loosened up. This is the tool. Hopefully this video helps show you a lot more of what to expect with this Ecarke cordless tiller compatible with Makita batteries. Happy projects. Thanks for watching.